What I'm about to show you today is going to blow up your mind. I know some people are using Go High Level and paying so much money as an agency, and some people also spending so much money on Instantly, Apollo, what have you, and AI spending so much money trying to get clients. Client acquisition is mostly the hard part of doing marketing and SEO, or if you want to start making money online. I'm going to show you this new software that is going to blow up your mind. Here we can see inside the software, the dashboard. Let me click on it to restart it. This is the dashboard. And inside the dashboard, you can see here we have auto SEO. The auto SEO is very simple. It's not what there are so many companies and websites online, they are doing auto SEO. But what they do is two things that they do. They publish articles automatically online on your WordPress site or on your WordPress site for you automatically. Okay, and the other part of it, they find errors on your WordPress or Shopify sites. This is what they do. But this software is not only showing you the errors on your website, it fixes it for you, your SEO, your entire SEO. It can automatically fix your meta description. You don't have to write anything. It goes into your WordPress, fix your title, fix your meta SEO, fix automatically your broken links, set internal linkings for you. You don't have to lift a finger. All you have to do is just click on fix it for me. It's going to go into your WordPress site. It will list all your pages, all your posts, all the URLs, and show it to you. The errors that you have on your images is going to fix your image SEO. Everything is going to be fixed. I'll show it to you in my next video. Today I'm going to show you the features of this powerful website. It's better than Go High Level, it's better than Apollo, it's better than Instantly. Why did I say that? Because it combines all their features together. Everything is inside here. And Ahrefs, SEMrush, they are not fixing your SEO for you. You have to find the errors using all these tools. But to fix it, you have to fix it yourself, or your agencies have to fix them for you. But this tool fix it for you. It shows you the errors and fix it for you automatically. I don't see any tool that goes into your WordPress site and fix your broken links and fix your internal linking and set up silo for you and set up topical authority for you. Also create content for you and publish the content automatically in your WordPress site while you are sleeping. Go into your Google Search Console account, find the errors, send you an email automatically with the errors from your Google Search Console and tell you you have to fix this. Your site or your pages are losing impressions. You have to fix them. And you can tell the tool, okay, fix it for me. And it will fix it for you. I don't see such tools exist. And this is the tool that we have. I'll show it to you. We are going to go through it and browse it and make some fixes automatically. And the next tool is local SEO. It scans your SEO, it goes into map, find your SEO, your local SEO, and fix all the errors for you. It injects schema to make sure that Google finds your website and it stays always fresh and saved to local people when someone is searching for your business. The next feature that we have here is AI Ads Manager. So if you are an agency, so likely you have people that are managing your advertisement for you, for your clients. I'm sorry about that. Or you have your own business and you don't want to be spending so much money on advertising agencies. You want to do your own advertisement with Facebook or Google Ads, but you don't know how to run advertisement. This is the savior for you. With this tool, all you have to do is you give in your URL and say to the tool, run my advertisement for me. It's going to create your title, the description, the keywords, the negative keywords. Everything is going to be done for you, fixed for you. All you have to do is click publish. And it makes sure you have a score of 80 plus up to 90, 95. So it also monitor your advertisements to make sure you are not burning your money. So this is what it does. The features, how it works, we are going to go through it one by one. And the next feature that we have here is AI chatbot builder. Let's say you have a business. How many people have website but they don't have chat services, or they don't have a chatbot, AI customer service that can reply to people's comments, that can chat with people and book an appointment? We have a calendar, inside this tool. So if someone goes to your website, they can talk to the chatbot. They can write the chatbot if they want an appointment. The chatbot is going to build or is going to schedule an appointment for them. And everything is automatic. Once it schedules an appointment for them, it's going to send you an email that you have a lead. Someone has booked an appointment. Also, the database, the knowledge base of this AI chat builder is very simple. It's going to pick your website, or it's going to scan your entire website, pick all the URLs and learn all your content. Based on your website content, it's going to chat with your clients. This tool built such a beautiful, wonderful AI chatbot for you. And the next one here is email marketing. Let's say you have so many customers, and you also run promotions. You have a new product that you want to introduce to your clients. You can't have someone that is sending manual email to this client or to your previous or past customers. So you need email marketing software. People are spending so much money on email marketing software or tools. This is the savior for you. This is a desktop, so that means nobody has your credentials. Nobody is going to control what you do or what you don't do, and nobody is going to suspend your account if you didn't make any payment. The software exists on your PC. You just need someone, just one person, to run them. And if it gets complicated, here we have someone here that we call Cooper. So Cooper is live and ready to assist you. If I say hi, so the Cooper is going to give me a reply. That is the work of the Cooper. You can see here, you say, hi, I'm Cooper, your autonomous marketing operator. I can help you find leads, launch outreach campaigns, manage your ads, or handle your SEO and social media. What's on your mind today? So you tell Cooper what you need. It can navigate on the software. So let's say you want to start autonomous blog posting. You want to post 100 blog articles every day. You tell Cooper, hey Cooper, I want to start publishing, or I want to start writing blog articles, but I want you to publish these articles for me. 50 articles every day. So it's going to tell you to give him the keywords. Everything is going to be done for you. It will navigate to the blog and blog creation site or page and start doing it for you. It's going to help you navigate entire software. Here it says, heads up, a couple of things I noticed. Look, it says, currently, I gave one of my website and it's telling me the DKIM is missing. Emails may land in spam. Web design freelancer Berlin is missing DKIM. It has already scanned my project and it's telling me what is missing that I need to fix. This is the work of the Cooper. Let me close Cooper. So you can use this software. Everything is going to be on your PC. It lives on your PC. So nobody's controlling your content or nobody's controlling your credentials. Everything is for you. I have to make one important point. It connects with so many different AI, but you are not paying someone to use their tokens or to use their APIs. You have to bring your own API. So it's like the more APIs or tokens you use, you pay for what you use. And also these tools allows you to use local AI. So you can have the AI downloaded on your PC using Olama. So once you have Olama, I can navigate and show you to you. Look here, let me go to settings. Inside the settings, here I have AI provider. And here you can see what I'm using. I'm using Olama. And inside Olama, I have my API. And I can also use, look here, let me see. Sorry, I have Olama Cloud, and here is Cloud, and here are Olama Local. I have downloaded Mistra, Gemma. These are all local AI. And let me go to the top. Local installed. Installed all these on my PC. I have a very good PC that is running right now. So this here we have DeepSeek and we also have Gemma, but some of them are not installed on my PC. Why? Because they are local. I can install them, so it's showing it to you that you can install them, but I already know those that I've already installed on my PC. So that means I can be running and creating hundreds or thousands of blog articles without spending money. It's going to be local AI on my PC. The model and the AI lives on my PC. So every articles that I run, every advertisement that I run, I'm not paying it for it because I have the AI on my local PC. These are things that Go High Level cannot offer you, or Samrush or Href, or I don't know. These services, I don't know any website that is offering you such high quality services using your own local AI. Let's say the only option is you are a technical person, you know what you are doing, you can download and run it yourself or try to build something yourself. But if you are going to use this software that is giving you so much high quality options, I don't see anyone offering such services. Now let's continue. The next feature that we have here is email marketing. And with email marketing, we have Instantly, we have Apollo, we have, I don't know, everything that they offer, we have it here, the email marketing. You can set up unlimited email account, and we also have warm up. All the features that you can get from Instantly is here. We are going to go one after the other. I'm going to show you everything how this works, but today's video is only showing you the features. If you want me to click on it, I can click on the email outreach. Let me click on it, the email outreach. For a minute, I just went back. All right, email outreach. I'm currently running some campaign, so you can see email sent. So let's say if I want to create a new email campaign, you can see here I can upload my CSV file of my contact. I can use the find list to get my leads and then continue. But then let me go back. This is not the topic for today. And here you can see we have performance, we have outreach campaign, and here unified inbox. Once you start getting reply from your email, outreach campaign is going to show inside the unified inbox. We have calendar, we have approvals, and smart lead CRM. Let me continue. We have auto social. The auto social, what it does is very simple. There are so many people out there offering you lead generation or auto social. Auto social can do your outreach for you, can automatically post on your social media every single day. You just have to schedule what you want to post. You teach the AI about your company, is going to scan your URL and start posting every day 2 or 3. And it can also, based on your list that you have, it will send connections on LinkedIn and DMs. Very super and very powerful feature. And next one here, we have prospecting hub. So let's say you want to start getting clients, or you have some people that you want to reach out to them. You give it their URL, is going to scan their URL, give you a PDF result of all that they need to fix on their website, and the tool will automatically reach out to these people and say to them, hey, this is what I found on your website. If you want me to send a PDF report, I can do that for you. If they say yes, the tool is going to automatically send it out to them, and they're gonna see it. It's just like manual manual analysis. But the tool is going to do it for you. You don't have to do it, and send it to them. And once you are able to qualify these leads, you can take it from there. The next one we have is smart lead CRM. So one big part of managing agencies is CRM, custom relations management. The CRM is kind of, you manage all your customers, board new clients, see what is happening with your client or with your customers. It's so much to talk about. We have it here. The tool is taking care of it and can manage all your CRMs. Very, very powerful tool. And the next one we hear is AI Creator. The AI Creator, what it does is, let's say you have few blog articles on your website. The AI Creator, or you want to publish new articles on your website, the AI Creator is going to do that for you. This is going to blow your mind if I show you the features of the AI Creator. Okay, it's something like you can sack your entire digital marketing team if you have this tool, because everything can be done for you. Even if you don't have knowledge of digital marketing, if you don't have knowledge of SEO, or if you don't have knowledge of link building, whatever it is, if you are new in the system, 2026, you want to start getting clients, you want to be your own boss, you are tired of 9 to 5 job, but you don't know how to start, where to start, what to do. People are talking about go high level. People are talking about starting email outreach. People are talking about artificial intelligence, website building. This is the savior for you. You want to start selling websites. Before let me continue with the AI Creator before I show you something that's going to blow your mind about web design. The AI creator, what you do is, let me just click on the AI creator and just show you a blink of it. I'm now inside the AI creator. So what I can do here is I can log into my WordPress inside the AI creator. So if I log into my WordPress, let me just test my connection. I have one ready. Let me test my connection. So verifying credentials. Once it's connected, I come here and put in my keyword and click on generate. If I click on generate, now you can see it's connected. WordPress connection verified successfully. So it's now connected with my WordPress. Now the next thing I'll do is I already have hundreds of articles that currently being built and published inside my WordPress. So here I just give my keyword and click on generate. It's going to generate like 15 or 20 different titles for me. If I'm okay with the titles, I will just say upload. It will automatically push all the titles into this field. And then what I have to do here is publishing status. I can choose for the articles to be published as draft. So I want to manually review them before publishing them. Or if I trust this tool or this software, I'll just say publish live, and it will just publish all of them inside my WordPress. Okay. And here, how often do I want it? Fast track every 5 minutes. I want the tool to publish these articles inside my WordPress every 5 minutes, or every 1 hour, or every 24 hours, or every 3.5 days, or every week. Okay, so once I select it, and here it says 0. 0 means starting from 1. Let's say I've already created 10 articles at the top. So I'll just write 10 and it will start from 11. So that is how it is. Time of the day to go live, the time that I want my articles to be published, days to wait before publishing, and I can give it. I can also give 0 here, and here target article length. So if I want to write 800 words article, or 1,500, or 2,000, or 3,000 words article, the language of the article, if I want the article to be in German language, in English, French, I choose my language. And the article tone, I have professional, conversational. And here I can paste the keywords. But since I'm writing, let's say I have 30 or 40 articles to write, so I cannot, if it is only one, it's okay, I can paste in my keywords. But since it's going to be a lot of articles to be published, I cannot paste my keywords here. So what I would just do is I just write, I want 150 keywords to be in every article. Very simple. And the features and elements that I want every article to have: zebra stripe, comparison table, accordion, FAQ, JSON, schema to be also in the article. And I want 5 images in every article. Here I want the call out boxes, clickable tables, key takeaways, pros and cons, styles, statistics. I want all of these to be inside the article. So then the article is going to look very beautiful, very professional. And here it shows published articles. So right now you can see I started running this, I think, in the last 8 hours or so. Sorry, in the last 8 hours or so. So what's happened is that we have the software has created 100 articles in the last 8 hours, and it has published all these 100 articles inside my WordPress, and they are currently live and submitting them to Google for indexing. Once they are indexed, it's very easy for me to win topical authority. And we also have something inside the tool that we call Silo. And this Silo is going to scan your entire website and show you the errors and how to interconnect, how to connect all your pages and tools, in your post together to win topical authority. But you are not going to do this. All you have to do is you just talk to the tool and say, hey, fix my silo. It's going to go into your WordPress, analyze your entire website, and start interlinking them and creating topical authority for you. Once it's done, you can verify it and see all your links being built automatically. You don't have to leave a finger. This is why I say, if you are spending so much money on your marketing team, maybe this is something that can help them out. I wouldn't say can replace them, but can help them out, And here you can see generate now. If you want to test one, and you can say save and activate autopilot. Let's look at the top here. We have autopilot active. If you turn it on and click here, all you have to do is just relax, sleep, go do other things. Before you come back, all your tools will be live inside your WordPress. This is just one thing that I just want to show you. This is inside the AI creator suite, and there are so many features inside it. Here we have the how do we call it, the multi-step block forge. This multi-step is crazy. It's going to blow up your mind. I cannot talk enough about this tool, because the features inside this tool can replace entire marketing agency. And if you have this tool, you can make so much money with it. The multi-step block forge, you can start like this. Here, if I go to steps, I give in my location, and here I give in the title or the keyword, and just set it up. And the AI generation mode, if I want to godlike mode, news mode, snippet mode, quick mode. And then I select my language and the number of images that I want, and the semantic density, the keywords, and the features that I want to be inside an article. See, I mean, FAQ, call to actions, so many. I can select all of them, that I want all of them to be in the blog article. So let's say if you are using artificial intelligence, or if you are using AI and you want to create blog articles, before you come up with all these ideas, it's going to take you so much long. I mean, here we have target word count. You can create up to 5,000 words. Okay, it will take you a lot of time to come with all these ideas to finish creating one blog article. But here you have everything done for you, and you go you click next, and the next is, let me just click next. Look, AI is drafting high CTR title variant. This is not the topic for today, because I'm going to show each functions separately in the next video. But to show you, we have different titles. This is in German language, Immobilienmakler finden. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3. So if you select your title, the next one is going to show you the outline, and the next step 4 is going to show you the keywords that is going to be inserted inside the blog articles. Once you are done, you go to the forge and click on create my article. So look, here it created one article. You see how beautiful this article is with images, and this is beautiful. You see, and the images, you can replace the images if you don't like them. So this is one article that is created with nice FAQ. Okay, so, and it's going to publish. If I say copy active editor, or I can set it up and say publish, and it's going to publish it automatically inside my WordPress. And let me just, here we have the auto blogger. We've talked about it, how it's going to automatically be posting articles inside. So this is also one feature, just one feature. I'm going back. So now we've discussed 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 features of this powerful software, but that is not it. If, let's say, you are a web designer, or you do web designing inside in your marketing company, and you do outreach, or you want to start building website for people are spending so much money in Go High Level. But let me show you one feature. Here we go to website. I hope you can see my screen. And here we have site template. If I click on the site template, you can see all of these niche and categories of this website that we have. You can just choose one. Let me just preview one. This is for electrician. So if I click on preview, it's going to show you this is one website for electrician. Okay, look at how beautiful this website is, and it's very easy for you to sell this website. Very nice website, very nice feature. Let me close it. And if I want to use this website, okay, what I would do is very simple. Autofill from site. Autofill from site is, I visit the client website, just give this tool the URL of their website. It's going to scan their website, pick all the content of their website, and give me a new version of this landing page with their content. So I don't have to fix everything one after the other. Or if I like this, if I want to make some changes, all I have to do is click on use this template. If I click on use this template, now you can see it opens it inside editor, and I can click on it, very simple, and click on text, click on it, and I can edit it myself. Look, I can remove it, and I can edit it myself, everything that I want. And the images, if I don't like an image, all I have to do is go to assets, and this image, this background image that we can see here, all I have to do is replace the image. I click on it, and I can upload a new image and then close it. Voila, I'm done, and I can ship it and sell it to my client. All right, so let me go back to websites and show you this template. This is crazy, people. This is crazy. I'm not even, there are so many features that I didn't even touch to start showing it to you. So this template that we can use, this is therapy and consulting and and counseling. Let's take a look at it. A very nice template. You can just sell it. You can just sell it to your client. You don't have to go to AI and ask the AI to design it for you or whatever it is. Everything has been done for you. This is Florist and Flower Studio preview. Look at this beautiful website. You can just sell it. Everything is done for you. This is another go high level, but this is go highest level. It's not go high level, go highest level, because go high level is not fixing your SEO for you. Go high level is not fixing your client website for you. This one is fixing it for you automatically. And so many things that you do with go high level, you have to have the knowledge of it. But this one is doing it for you. This one is fixing everything automatically for you. Let's preview this moving company. Okay, very nicely. This is just one feature. We are not talking about it today. I'm just showing it to you. All right, so now let me go to command center. All right, this is the command center. Here we have the lead finder. With the lead finder, all you have to do is you just put in your keyword and location, and you can use Google Map or Google search directories or social media and select how many leads that you want, and if you want to find emails inside, because some websites return without email. So deep email hunt is going to, if they don't have email inside the map, is going to scan their website, scan their privacy policy, and everywhere it can find their email, and then bring it back to you. So you use this and start your lead find. Once you get your leads, you can export these leads into your CRM and start your campaign. So let's say, let me go here. Let's say you want to run an email campaign. You just go to email outreach, and inside the email outreach, I already have some campaigns running for testing. I just tested it and everything is working. I even start talking with one client. So here, like I showed to you before, this is something different. We are going to talk about it in the next video. Sorry. Here we have something that we call flight readiness. If I click on the flight readiness, it's going to show you step by step all you need to fix. It doesn't have to be perfect or 100%, but it's worth checking it out. It's going to tell you your email campaign, the things that you need to fix and everything. Because I've already finished this campaign, it's going to scan everything before showing it to me. This is going to take like a minute or so. And let me scroll down. Here we have the God mode. This God mode is going to blow up your mind. This God mode is something crazy, people. Let me show it to you. I don't have to wait for this to finish. This God mode is an outreach campaign, but the AI is doing everything. The AI will get me clients. The AI is going to send an email. Let me give you an example with this God mode. Here we have services, and all these services I can use to run outreach campaign. So if I want to start campaign for AI chatbot services, here I can give my mission name. Once I give my mission name, what you are offering, a custom AI chatbot trained on your website. Okay, and all these emails are the emails that I currently have inside my account that I'm using for my outreach. So I just have to select the emails that I want to use for my outreach campaign for AI chatbot. I hope you get it clear. I think this is too much knowledge that I'm sharing, but if you're not following up, and this is gonna be, it's gonna blow your mind. I know it's too much, but I hope those that know what they are doing are gonna, work with me and understand all that I'm trying to say. So if I select my email that I want to use, I can select 2, 3, 4 emails in my account that I want to use for the outreach. But just to show you, to explain something to you, the AI is going to get the leads for me, send outreach to these leads and say to them, hey, I visited your website and I see you don't have AI custom chatbot, but we can build one for you if you are interested and show you the demo how it works. You don't have to pay, nothing is for free. I'm not on my PC, I'm not touching anything. All I have to do is set up my campaign. Once you get a reply and someone say, okay, I'm interested, I want to see it. If you are using Go High Level or other services, you have to build this automation. You have to build the AI chatbot and send it to the client. But here, the software is doing it for you. You don't have to do it. This is what makes it so powerful. If a client show interest and send a reply, what's happening is, let me show you one here. Where is it? Chatbot. All right. Here, outreach is sent and the clients replied and say they are interested. Here you see demo build. So the AI is going to take their website, scan their website, scan all the URLs of their website, get the information of their website, and build the chatbot for them. You are not involved. The AI is going to build the chatbot for them and host it, get a URL where they can test this chatbot and send them another follow-up email and say, okay, thank you for your interest. We've built the chatbot for you. Here is the link. Take a look. I hope you are following. This is crazy. Who is doing this for you? Which AI can do this for you? So once they click the link, it will open the chatbot for them. And one powerful thing is, inside the chatbot, it has a background of their website. It will take the hero image of their website to create the AI chatbot. So they can start chatting with the chatbot and say, hi. Every question that they ask the chatbot is going to give them an answer with their website background. And they can book an appointment. Once they book an appointment or try to contact someone, the AI will send an email automatically to them using their email. So they will get an email to say, hey, someone has booked an appointment with you on your website. This is the appointment information. We have inbuilt calendar. So they can connect this calendar with their Google Calendar and then fix their appointment. Very simple. If they find this interesting and they send another email to the AI and say, hey, we are interested and we want to use this chatbot, how do we continue? And then that is where you come and you can take over from there. This is mind-blowing. This is also one feature. This is the feature of the God mode. And the God mode, let me go back and show you the God mode. It's not only chatbot, it can send outreach for SEO audit. And with the SEO audit, it's the same. If they say they are interested, it's going to take their email and run Blitz 101 audit report. This is, I think, about 4 or 5 page PDF. And the AI is going to download the PDF and send it to them. Once they open the PDF, they'll see their website, the screenshot of their website, the hero from the desktop and mobile hero is going to show it to them and show them their title and description just to make sure that it's their website and show them all the errors that we can fix for them. Once they are interested and reply and say, okay, let's do it, then you take it from there. Landing page, like I showed you before, it can send outreach for landing page. If the client is interested, it's going to build a landing page and send it to them. You don't have to do it. And here we have website redesign outreach. AI will send the outreach and pick their website. Let me show you something. Here we have clone a website. With the clone a website, the AI is going to put in their URL, capture their site and redesign it and send it to them. If they're interested, you pick it up from there. So let me go back to the God mode. And here we have, what do we have? Cold email outreach. This is it's almost the same as the other cold email outreach, but in this case, the sequence is about 3 or 4, and the AI is going to continue until it closes the client. Email marketing outreach, auto SEO outreach. AI is going to automatically fix it for them, but before fixing, it's going to show them all the errors that it can fix. Once they agree, all you have to do is, once you close the client, you use the software and fix it, everything automatically. And everything is, when I say automatically, I mean it's just like a human. You go into WordPress, you find broken links, image SEO, internal linking, orphan pages. You want to redesign or rewrite an article, the AI is going to fix everything for you. And also the auto blogging, we've discussed about it earlier on. Okay, so here we have rank tracker. The rank tracker is, you are going to put in your, let me go back here. You are going to put in the, how do we call it? The website or the keyword of your client. The AI is going to track the keyword, see the position. As you continue improving their website, after a month or so, the AI is going to give you differences between the ranking. Last month, it was ranking number 10, but this month is ranking number 2, and show you the difference. You can download a PDF report. And let me continue. Competitor X-ray is going to scan your competitor website plus your website and show you the difference and how to fix your website to outrank your competitors. And once you agree, you give the software the go ahead, is going to fix it for you. Prospecting Hub, we've discussed it. AI chatbot, we've discussed it. And here we have clients. So let's say you are an agency and you have different clients. Okay, you can set so all your clients. This is just like CR, you're in your CRM. You can set all your clients, and every client has its own task. End of the day, you can get a PDF report of all what you've done for your client and send it to them for them to see you are really working for their website. Here we have booking and calendar. So this is an inbuilt calendar, and the AI, it can send you the URL of the calendar, and you can fix it. You can change your calendar and connect it with your CRM or Google Calendar or whatever it is. Now the approval, let me see. We've talked about the smart lead CRM, or in my next video, because I don't want this video to be so long. The next one that we have here is here we have the client portal. We have the monthly report, like I talk about. If I click on the monthly report, I can see here, these are my clients. So if I select, let's say Musa, and then generate PDF. So all the work that I did for this client is going to be downloaded as a PDF, and I can send it to them. Let's continue. Here we have reviews. We can create a review for different businesses, for their businesses on local or Google My Business. And we can get review, we can create review, and also Facebook reviews. We'll talk about this in the next video. So let me go down. Here we have SEO ability. This is the auto SEO. This is crazy. People, this is crazy. Let me show you something. The auto SEO, what it does, I can log in into my WordPress. So I have this information. So let me log in into my WordPress. So I'm now logging in into my WordPress using the universal on-page AI surgery. So let's see, in a minute, it's going to log into my WordPress. And here you have Shopify, we have Wix, we have a custom API or whatever you can call it. Now it's inside my WordPress. It has logged in. Let me click on the post and see. So once you are logged into WordPress, okay, here it shows here is connecting. It lists all your posts, all your pages, everything is going to be listed here. Here we have pages. So let's say here score is 90%, and this is the page. Immobilian Makler Erlangen. All right, wait a minute. The post is not showing. It's so if it shows here, it's going to show you all that you can do, what you can fix, and not only what you can fix, but it will fix it for you. Okay, here my WordPress. I've just logged into my WordPress website for this website, Immobilian Makler. Here you can see here all these posts, and here it's telling me Jason is missing. This page doesn't have schema, and this page is an orphan page. Okay, and it currently has 0 impressions in Google Search Console. Okay, so if I want to fix this page, I've talked about fixing everything automatically. I'm going to show it to you. If I want to fix this page, this this is all taken from my WordPress website. So now I'm inside my WordPress site. That is, technically I'm inside my WordPress site. It's connected, and it has pulled all the all the all the pages and all the posts from my WordPress site. Now let's say I want to fix this. Here you can see all the pages. These are all the pages and the fixes. So let's tackle just one page. This is the web page, Ratgeber for den Immobilienverkauf. So this is the page, and the title, we have the, how do we call it? We have the description. If I want to fix this page, here is telling me poor user retention and SEO security vulnerabilities. Okay, one outgoing link. So focus keyword. So what is my focus keyword? My focus keyword is Immobilien. This is real estate. Oh, let me click on it. Immobilien. Okay. Immobilien is my focus keyword. This is typing. Now it's telling me title is too long, 62 characters. Okay, so Immobilien. And here it says the focus keyword in SEO title 0. I don't have the focus keyword in I don't have the focus keyword in my SEO title. Did I spell it right? Immobilien. No, I spelled it wrong. Let me go back. It is spelled okay. Immobilien. Or so now let me see. Okay, I've spelled it correct now. Immobilien. So it says the keyword is in the title, but the keyword is not in the URL. This is powerful SEO strategy. If you don't have your keyword in the URL, you can forget it. Or permalink. Keyword in first paragraph introduction. So the keyword is not in the first paragraph of my content, which needs to be fixed. And the keyword is not in the description, which also need to be fixed. But the keyword is in H2 and H3 subheadings. It has appeared. Okay. So, and recommended internal link opportunities. And it's now showing me internal linking opportunities that we have for this URL, for this article. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have so many opportunities to create internal linking for this page. Normally, it will take an expert SEO agency the whole day to set up, to fix all these things for just like, let's say 5 pages, okay? But with this, you can fix about 50 pages within few minutes, and your SEO is fixed and done. This is how fast, this is crazy. The people who are into SEO, the SEO experts, the marketing gurus, if they are watching this video, they understand what I'm saying, and this is going to blow up their mind. All right, so if I click on inject live link, this is all. Let me click on inject live link, and then it's going to injecting live anchor text Immobilien, and then it's going to inject it for you. That is it. Simple, fix, low, injected, anchor text successful, rescan post, done. It has fixed it for me. I didn't visit this page. I didn't do it manually. It has fixed it for me automatically. Okay. Now you can see it has been fixed. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 5, and now another one is also pop up. This is how you can fix it. And here you can see, what do we have here? Live outgoing hyperlink. This is one active, and we have another one here active. So it has 2 outgoing links. So I can decide to fix all of these by creating AI auto surgery fix. So let me say I want to fix this page. I click here, and the next thing I'm going to do is just say AI auto surgery fix. If I click it, review, edit, and approve optimized titles, set description, and content live before updating WordPress. So what is going to happen is that now it's going to fix all the SEO errors for this page and for this content. Somebody tell me, who is doing this? Which tool is doing this? Maybe, I don't know, maybe we have a lot of them. But to have all that, the tool doing all these fixes is crazy, is mind-blowing, people. So now let's see. I'm going to fix this page. Here we have the old week title. This is the old title of the page. It's in German language, so you don't understand even if I read it. It says, Hausverkaufenden erlangen Ratgeber für den Immobilienverkauf. But now AI surgical suggestion. So it's going to fix this page with a new title. It says, Hausverkauf erlangen, top price for Immobilien. Why? Because the Immobilien that you see here is my target or focus keyword. So now we have the focus keyword inside the title. And here the snippet meter. Let me click on the snippet meter. This is the old snippet meter, and this is the new one that is going to create for me. It has generated new title, new title and new description for me. Hausverkaufen erlangen geplant. Entdecken Sie exklusiv Strategien für Ihre Immobilien, schneller und profitabler zu verkaufen. Jetzt Ratgeber lesen. Okay. And it has 120 to 160 characters. So this is the new description. And the alt tag fixes. Let me click on the alt tag fixes. Now here, these are the images that we have inside this blog article. And the images, the original tag, it has all these. But it's going to fix it to put all the alt tags. I'm going to get a new alt tags. And this all new alt tags is going to be applied automatically. I'm not doing anything. I'm not typing anything. I'm not fixing anything. The tool is doing this for me. Okay. So update page title, fix missing images, auto generate and inject JSON schema, update SEO meta title and description, inject internal and target links. All of these are going to be fixed automatically. This is what SEO agencies, digital marketing gurus are going to charge you thousands of dollars to do it for you. But this tool is going to do it for you. And the tool, the software is going to be on your desktop. So you are going to use it to fix your client SEO or SEO or marketing issues and errors. You don't pay nothing. And the AI that you are going to use, you are going to also use local AI. So it's going to cost you zero API cost. Crazy people, crazy. All right, let me go back. Proposed links. If I click on it now, it's going to show you the link that is going to create for this specific post. Full HTML editor. If I click on it, it's going to show me everything. Okay, so now let me go back to the title. And here we have, if I don't like this, just look at this. This is the title that is going to, and the description and the fixes that is going to apply. Let's say I'm not okay, I don't like this, I want something different. Now I have option B. If I click on option B, it's going to use option B. Different title, different description, different fixes. If I don't like it, I click on option C. Different fixes, everything different. So, and the next thing I'm going to do is, I'll just say, here it says full AI content body rewrite. So let's say the content is very thin, the content is not so nice, and I want a new content. If I click on it, it's going to create a new, fresh content for this post. But I'm not going into that. So all I have to, and if I don't like all these A, B, C, let's say I don't like all these suggestions, I'll create on regenerate suggestion. It's going to give me 3 different new suggestions until I'm satisfied with the suggestion that I want. And let's say I want to add something manually. I just have to click on it and then type it myself. Okay, and then click perform surgery and update live. And it's going to go into the page, into the blog article, and finish all the fixes for me. So if I click on it, perform applying surgery, that is it. Here, used and rank math and all the fixes applied. And now we have 90% score. It applied everything. Once I refresh it, I'm going to see everything live. That is it. That is it for you. And this post, these are all the posts. So let's say all my posts, I have errors. Okay, I have errors, 1 or 2 errors in all the posts, and here it lists up to 50 posts and all the errors and fixes that I can do. Hello, wow, this is a lot, crazy. So what I'll do is I'll just scroll to the top here and click on audit WordPress articles. 50 50, think about it, 50. So if I click here, let me push this to the side. Bulk AI surgery is going to fix 50 blog articles. Their SEO, the images, broken links, internal linking, title, description, everything is going to be fixed automatically because I'm already signed into my WordPress. So it's going to fix it, everything automatically for me. Oh, voila. It's going to fix everything automatically. And once I'm done, export white label PDF. So let's say this is for a client. I have all these errors. If I say export white label PDF, it's going to download all of this as a PDF, and I can send to my client and say, hey, look at what is happening to your website. I can fix it for you. If the client say, wow, can you fix this? This is going to cost the client, let's say digital marketing agencies will charge the client thousands of dollars, and it's going to take them about 6 months. How long is it going to take you to fix it? Maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 50 pages, and then you are done. Crazy. All right, I'm going to move to the next. Okay, the next. And here the next, we have Google Search Console, Google Instant Indexer, and Pinger. So what happened is that here I uploaded my JSON file that is from Google Services, and the tool is going to show you how. Here, when I click Show Setup Guide, I show Setup Guide. When you click on it, it's going to show you step by step how you are going to get your JSON file and put it here. A lot of people know about this. And trigger instant indexing. Once I click on it, it's going to, here I give, if I give my site map URL, it's going to, let me say extract. If I click on extract, it's going to give me all the URLs. You can see here it has appeared. So what happened is that all the URLs of my site is going to appear. So once it appears, I can submit all for instant indexing. I can't do it right now because I'm logged in with a different account. So it has to be the same account and the same JSON file. Once I'm done, here, Google Search Console. Here, I'm going to get error. Why? Because I'm logged in with a different, you see what I'm talking about? I'm logged in with a different account. So if I change, let me see if I can change. If I go here, I don't want to change because one of my article is running a blog campaign. So here's an error is going to appear. I'm going to do another video to log in with a right account and show you all the features. Once here in Google Search Console is going to connect with my Google Search Console and show me all the errors and all the performance, which pages are doing well, which pages are getting more clicks, which pages are losing impressions, so I can fix them. And I can tell the tool, go into my WordPress and fix it, and it's going to fix it for me. Performance and quick wins is going to show. This is crazy. I'm not connected, so my next video, or I'll be doing video on all the features to show it to you. Core web vitals from Google is going to appear, and you can fix them. And this always on watchdog, what it does is it sends you email every single day from Google Search Console and show you the pages that are losing impressions, the pages that are getting more clicks, the orphan pages, so you can fix them. And here we have Bing search. The Bing search is the same as the Google Search Console. It's going to show you everything, all you can fix on your Google Search Console. And here we have internal link visualizer. If I click on it, let me show it to you. All right. So here in the internal link visualizer is going to use the account that I'm already logged in from my WordPress. And now it's going to show you all the, if I say set link node, it's here all the pages with the internal links that they have. This one has 5, 1, 2, 2, So here there are 50 pages. So if I want to interconnect, if I want to connect two pages, I just click on this one and say number 116, this page, and say here I'm going to select a different page here. So I want this article and this article to connect together. So all I have to do is click generate and inject internal link pathway. So it's going to connect these two together and create internal link between them. That is it. I have my internal linking. So this is how I can continue. But if it's too much, and let's say I want to use all the 50, I just set it up and click on bulk optimize site internal link. It's going to fix everything automatically without me lifting a finger. And here, broken links. So what happens is if I give in my URL and click on scan, let me see, let me go back here and get the URL. Where is the URL? Or let me go here. Wait a minute. This is the URL. Now let me go back to broken links and paste in my URL and click on scan for broken links. No external outbound found to verify. Okay. All right, that's okay. Fine for 4 broken links. So if you have one, it's going to scan and show it to you. So that is how it works. Very simple and fixes for you. And here we have image SEO. CMS is connected, fixed and service active. Already ran this, but let me scan for missing alt. Okay, you can see here we have one, and I can repair my image SEO and click on fix or preview. It will fix it for me automatically, people. And here we have pages to scan. Let me select 10, run image audit. It's going to scan this, 10 pages, run the audit, show me the results. Here we have the results. You can see here missing with, issues by type, and we have all these images inside my WordPress, and it's missing with height, courses layouts, not lazy loaded. So, and here if I want to fix it, all I have to do is bulk fix on WordPress, and it's going to fix it for me. Or here we have scan for missing alt, we have preview alt, and bulk repair. It can only one here we have for the bulk repair, and it will repair it and fix it for me. And the next one here we have topical authority. So what I'll do is here we can give only, how do we call it, a keyword. Let's say SEO, SEO experts, and click on topical authority. Okay, and now let's see what's gonna happen. And once I get the results, I quickly start building my topical authority. The tool is going to start building all these articles for me, publish it on my WordPress, and link them together, set up topical authority. Look what we have here: hiring and career development, how to hire SEO expert for a Shopify store, technical We have all this here: technical SEO execution, advanced core web vitals, optimization for JavaScript, heavy site. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have informational, transactional, commercial. So all of these, if I click on select all, it highlights all of these topical authority topics. And if I click auto publish 35 articles for all this topical authority into my WordPress, it's going to push it to my auto blogging, and the auto blogging will schedule everything and start publishing them automatically inside my WordPress. People, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. I can't I still have so much to show, but I don't have so much. I don't have I think my video is going so much long. All right, now let me skip here. This is only for the auto SEO. This is just the auto SEO. Okay, now I'm going to show you the SEO search tool. Here, this is where you can create your silo planner, and here we can give, how do we call it? You give your URL and map my site silo, and it's going to show you to you. Let me pick one of my URL, optilinkai.com. Okay, this is my URL. It's going to be, I have to use HTTPS. All right, so all I have to do is, let me see, 80 to make this fast. Scan it. So it's now scanning my domain, it's now scanning my pages, and map out the silo, the topical authority, how I can use them to set up topical authority. Your competitors don't know about this. If you have the option, to find this video, to find this tool, so this is going to fix it for you better than your competitors will just see you ranking like crazy, and they're wondering how you did it. This is the secret. Now you can see the topical map. This is the homepage, and this is how your topical silo should look like. Crazy. Okay, now we have the idea, and it pulls from all these URLs inside, from your websites. It pulls all of these URLs, and let me close this. SEO fixes. 29 supporting pages don't link to their silo pillar. It's telling you this. A clean silo has every supporting article linking back to its pillar. So this is how it works. And the next one, 106 silo links authority leaking between topics. So all you have to do to fix this and win the ranking race, all you have to do is connect your CMS, WordPress, Shopify, whatever you are using, and just one button, apply all, is going to fix your entire topical silo for you. Crazy. This is what I'm talking about. All right, so this is not the video for today. There's going to be another video. We are going to run all of this, and here we have keyword research. So let me say keyword research. I just put on SEO experts, and click on find my keywords. No tool has all of this that I'm showing you. People, this is crazy. If you have this, you have entire digital marketing sitting on your computer, and the tool can do everything. And if you don't, if you are not clear with something, you can ask the tool. You can ask Cooper. Cooper will navigate and show you everything. And here we have 67 quick wins. I just put on my SEO expert as my keyword. And here we have keyword intent, informational, transactional, and we have popularity, difficulty, and opportunity. SEO expert and web designer, SEO expert in India, SEO expert in Meaning, SEO expert Nepal. Who is SEO expert? So you have, look at this. It gives you all the keywords, and you can expand it to view more, and you can use this to build your topical authority, and the tool will set up and build your articles and publish them automatically on your WordPress for you. You don't have to do nothing. So I'm trying to move as fast as I can because I cannot show you all these features. It's crazy. And on top we have local SEO, we have local map, and here we have people also ask. If I go to people also ask and click on SEO experts, click on get question. So I'll just move fast. This video is, I think, is too long. Here you can see people also ask. People are paying. There is a website from Nile Patel that is called People Also Ask. People are paying money to get all these kind of questions from this website. Stop it. This is the savior. We'll give you everything. How to become an SEO expert and how to hire SEO expert. Here we have the how, the what, the who, the other. So it shows you everything here. Let's move on to the next one. Video keywords. So if you are paying vidIQ, this is your vidIQ. Let's see something here. How to become an SEO expert. So let's say this is my title. I click on research video, is going to go to YouTube and show me everything. Okay, this is what vidIQ does. A lot of people know about vidIQ. So this is what vidIQ does, and this tool do the same thing. It's going to give me the options. It's going to show me the video of other people. Okay, now we are here. Look here, we have 43 video opportunities. These are videos from people from YouTube. Here it says complete SEO course for beginners, learn to rank #1. It has 4.1 million. So these are all videos of other people from YouTube that you can copy their ideas, their title. But when we scroll down, YouTube keywords ideas, it gives us more ideas that we can use to create our YouTube video. And if I go on here and generate title, hook, description, script, whatever it is that I want, is going to give me options based on this to create my own. Could not pass AI output. Okay, I don't know why, but I have to check this. But you get the idea. You get the idea. And we also have down here somewhere content studio. Let me see. We have AI content detector. Also SEO content optimizer. Look, people, this is crazy. And I can't show all of these. I will continue my video. My next video is going to be about this. So let me see, get more. Somewhere we have YouTube SEO. I don't know, I can't find it. Crazy. So let me ask Cooper. Wait, let me take a look. Or SEO and visibility. Here, YouTube optimizer. So here is the YouTube optimizer. So here you can get the keyword research. Video explorer is going to show you a lot of videos like we see before. Content planner, it shows you how to structure your content and help you to do that. Gives you title ideas, description, and tags. If you create a new video, you can come here, copy everything, and publish your video. Hooks and scripts. Channel audit can audit your channel and do everything for you. Subscribe, leave your comments. I'm going to continue this video. We have so much that we did not tackle. My next video is going to tackle all. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you think about this software, and if you see any failure, any improvements, we are going to tackle everything. And see you in the next video. Have a great day. All right.